What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be installing just a catch can onto the KA. So what I'm gonna do is, because I'm gonna set it up through the PCV. So for right now, this valve cover one is just I'm gonna have to figure out how I can plumb it back into the intake, because right now I have a CX Racing inlet. So I need to like drill a hole and then put like a barb or something and then run it back here. And then that's not where I'm running the catch can. I'm running the catch can for like the PVC. So where I'm gonna get my vacuum, I think, is on this line. That's for the brake booster. So all I'm gonna be doing is teeing it from here. So we'll have a line coming from the PCV. It's gonna be coming around here. Then there'll be a T, and then there'll be, I'll put the catch can right here. And so the other line for the catch can is gonna go on the T, and that's gonna be my vacuum source. And then, so yeah, I think that should work. Just this hose is pretty big, so that's the one that comes from the Circuit Sports catch can. So yeah, you can change this to a vent, like a vent to atmosphere, but I don't want to do that just because that's not what I want to do. I actually want the PCV to be like a working system. So yeah. Okay, so I made a little bracket for it. It's gonna sit right here. Is a convenient like bolt hole, so I'm just gonna put it like that and then run the lines. All right, so this is how the line is looking for where it's getting vacuum. So this is the out, so it'll go in here, and it's teed onto the brake booster. And the good thing is the brake booster has a check valve, so under boost this shouldn't affect it. So next I just gotta route the line from the PCV to here, and that'll just be a 3/8 hose. Alright, so I got it installed. There's the 3/8 hose, runs from back from the intake to here and into the catch can, and then goes back and vacuums from the line on the brake booster. So that's it. It's pretty simple. I made sure I put some steel wool in here so it baffles, and I think it should all work fine. Right, Alejandro?
Yeah.
It's gonna work?
Oh, go race him.
Slaughter, huh?
Yeah, it is. It's way louder than before. God damn. That pop. This is way louder than before.
It's fucking dope.
Maybe because the housing, well, it has to do with the
Metal.
material, yeah.
The rubber like would like
Dampen
insulate.
it, yeah. That's sick.
fucking crazy. Like, I don't know, dude. Driving this car is just so fucking fun. Like.